Hey guys, it's Ashley and I am standing in our newest listing. This is a beautiful custom home located in Monticello Subdivision here on the west side, Jeff City. It is all a main level living home and it's absolutely gorgeous. You can see this rock fireplace behind me, the beautiful double doors, front double doors. Also, there's quartz countertops throughout and they are just lovely. Beautiful kitchen, nice big open floor plan. Also, the primary bedroom has a primary suite and it will knock your socks off. Just gorgeous. When you walk in, you have two vanities and you have a huge walk-in shower with a tub inside the shower. Also, nice big primary bedroom closets, 3-car garage, screened-in porch. There's just so much in this home and I cannot wait for you to take a look. So come on in and take a look inside.